Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Palantir on January the 10th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $68.23 at regular hours and at $67.63 at pre-market hours. And my main assumption was that we have to see lower price action for this asset. I set the range of support, next potential range of support, at around $60.3 mark, around $60 to be precise, and we have to hit at least this price target, and then we might have a trend reversal. In today's video, guys, I will show you several potential paths how this asset might act within next several weeks, and I will show you potential price targets for the middle of 2025. That is why, guys, please stay tuned. And first of all, guys, let's take a look at its actual price action. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, we went even lower, and we have about a 7% decrease in its price action since I made my previous video. For now, as you can see right here, the last session was closed at $65.91, and on pre-market hours we are up by 0.29%. Guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of, but the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you this might be a game changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that this asset is still on fire, and despite the fact that we have about more than 20% decrease in its price from the last several basically couple of weeks, it is still on the bull side, and it is a healthy correction. Guys, don't get me wrong, I am not a bear on Palantir. I still hold my long position on Palantir with the average price way below $15 mark, and I was anticipating this movement to the downside, and I told you about this multiple times in my videos, and that is why, guys, I had a lot of hate in the comment section. And a lot of people think that I am a bear on Palantir, and I want Palantir to go down. Guys, it is not what I want, and in today's video I will show you what we should rely on. But let's take a look at its fundamentals. I want to show you first of all basically the consensus analyst price target. And we still have the same number of analysts. Based on 20 analysts ratings, so we have 7 analysts who suggest to sell, 11 analysts who suggest to hold, and only 2 analysts who suggest to buy. But guys, take a look right here. We have more updates according to tip ranks, because right here the last filing was made by Morgan Stanley, and here you can see that we have 2 more analytic firms who reiterated their ratings on January the 8th and January 13th. And guys, you can find the price targets from these companies as well. Palantir price target raised to $35 from $26 at Deutsche Bank. And guys, $35, it is still way below our current price. It is about, let me show you, more than 50% of downside from the current range. And here, if you type in Google search bar Jeffrey's PLTR rating, you can see that 19 hours ago Jeffrey warns Palantir could plunge 57%. And here is this article in details. They said the price target, wait a second, I will show you somewhere here. They set the price target at $28, extremely low, I would say. And that is why, guys, Palantir is still experiencing substantial bearish pressure on its stock price. But let me show you another quite interesting update. If you type in Google search bar PLTR stock in general and switch to news tab folder, you will see several news. And two most recent ones was made by Reporteros del Sur. And here you can see that one news was made 1 day ago and the second one was made 11 hours ago. And they are completely opposite. Palantir takes a dive. What you need to know: stocks plummet after insider moves. And the second one, Palantir Technologies stock soars. What you need to know. Guys, if you trade based on the news only, you have to be extremely cautious, because both of these articles are useless. They were written within just several hours, and the conclusion in these articles are based on not the most recent updates. So, for example, right here you can see that the recent drop was made because of the insider sell-off. As you can see, Director Alexander W. Chief sold 4,000 shares for an average price of $71.63. And guys, if you take a look at the list of insider trades, you can see that previously, guys, we have, for example, Taylor Ryan D sold some of his shares for more than $2.3 million. Next one, $17 million. Taylor Ryan as well. And I have to admit that that is why these two articles are pretty much irrelevant. If you want to know more positive news about Palantir, I highly encourage you to subscribe to our Nitrazy Twitter account, because he is a long-term bull on Palantir, and he publishes a lot of very interesting and up-to-date information in regards to Palantir. But guys, it doesn't matter at all when from the technical standpoint we have to see the cool down, and it is happening right now. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from this bottom we've completed 5 waves to the upside from the May 17th of 2024 till this highest point on December 24th of last year. And right here we have first ABC correction to the downside. And you know that right after the motive wave to the upside, we have to see 3 waves movement of the retracement, and then potentially we might have a trend reversal. And guys, to be honest, this movement to the upside was extremely long in terms of its time. Let me show you that it took about 218 days. And this retracement took only 18 days to this point. And this means I don't think that wait a second, I don't think that this retracement is over. Potentially this is just a part of ABC correction, and let me show you what should we expect next. Probably we might have this is our A wave on a bigger scale, this might be the B wave, and then we might have another leg to the downside that will land probably somewhere at $50 or $52 mark. It is very rough estimation because I don't have this point. Next possibility is this one. We might have 5 waves move to the downside because A wave might have 3 waves or 5 waves in it. And in this case, guys, the price, the blueprint of its movement to the downside might be like this. This will be first 5 waves to the downside, then we will have 3 waves to the upside, and another 5 waves movement to the downside that will land again somewhere probably at $50 mark. And in a bigger scale we will have this as our A wave, this is our B wave, and this is our C wave. So we have a couple of possibilities how the price might behave in the upcoming weeks. But in general, guys, when this asset hit its bottom at the C wave, we will have another leg to the upside that will land much higher to complete this 5th wave. And in general, guys, for now, I think the range where we might have a trend reversal is following. Let me mark it for you like this. It is in between 0.382 and 0.5. Because, yes, we have a tiny chance that we might have a trend reversal from the current price. And we have not the bigger chances to have a trend reversal if it falls below $52.55. But the most probable range of trend reversal is this one for now, and I make my conclusion based on its previous price action and on its previous structure, waves structure, according to Elliott wave theory. And guys, this is another blueprint of its movement. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad.